parts, unobtainium parts, and it's
just inscribing.
Yeah, but they. Hits me in a very deep and intimate place.
I mean, he was a really important part of me developing into an artist, and he actually.
Cloth, it was stitch closed, and that
There are things in the car world that we know make a vast difference, but we don't really want to spend hard-earned money on. It's usually tyres and suspension.
Yeah.
Because they're quite...
Still wear a suit and tie and go to meetings, and you're in that class. So it's very important that you receive
people who are making a lot of money off of that idea and getting a lot of power off of that idea. So it's elites in the media, elites in politics, social media companies. But the truth is
Oh yeah, he's dead. Yeah, he's dead.
What breed?
He was a black Labrador,
Nice.
and he was probably my first. It's hard to say.
Upton Scudamore. Now, I think Upton Scudamore, he is not one of Wendon Zambo's friends. He lives in the village. Upton Scudamore is a former British Army major.
President Biden's policy, it's like she's running away from this all the time. She has no record to speak of, right? Her record in the Senate, she's a cipher in the Senate too. And
But like, you know, it's a story that must be told. I ate so much, I just got so giddy on the food that I was a bit sick. Some kind of tubing and using some sort of vacuum effect that I've yet to devise. It sucks the ash in, and then it pipes it away. Like an racing entirely lost keys.
Wow.
Because he's got the coding.
Well over half.
Coding stuff to be able to do that.
Another shout out for Birmingham Car Keys. He sorts out
night, 45 minutes a day. So that's 16 sunrises and sunsets in a 24-hour period.
Do you go like dark and light all the time?
Yeah,
Every 45
every
minutes?
45 minutes. So we can.
It's up and down,
You can be having a.
again, we could use this word gaslighting. And I said to him, oh, you know, because I'm sure, you know, everybody, you know, people in India, you know, hate the British. He was like, no. He goes, the British Empire did some bad things, of course it did.
Can I ask, since we're on this topic, you know when you go on an aeroplane, Joe, and you're in economy, sometimes you find yourself
Baffling. Absolutely baffling with that one. But who'd be a selector?
The thing about Danny not getting picked, and I know this is not really much of a silver lining, but because
Experienced that, and that was, I think, you know, that was the lowest point where you think, like, you just got no desire to do anything. I have days of work.
the investigation into COVID origins by economic pressure, and you know, this whole thing about China extending its censorship